In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to link your Binance account to TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to tradingview.com. You also need to have a Binance on either your smartphone device or open it up in a new tab up here on the Windows computer. From here, it should bring something like this once you're logged inside of your account. From here, you'll need to go up to products, and from here, it should bring something like this. Here, you'll need to go down to connect through our trusted brokers, and then you'll need to find Binance. And the quickest way is really just to scroll down here and click show all brokers down here. From here, you'll need to scroll up and search for Binance like so. From here, you can see Binance will appear, and you can place it as a favorite up here by clicking on the star, but to connect it, you simply need to connect, click on it, and click connect down here. From here, a new tab will pop up where you can log into your Binance account, like so. And as you can see here, you can log in using your email or phone number, click continue, or you can also log in with a QR code login if you want to use the app. You can also continue with your passkey, Google account, Apple ID, or a Telegram account. Once you click continue and log into your account, you'll be directed back to TradingView, where you'll see that this has been connected and everything should be up and running. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!